In this video, I will show you the best way on how to send money from the Netherlands to the Philippines, so stay tuned until the end. So first of all, I'm using this app called TapTapSend, and this is a really nice app and you can get set up with an account really easily, and they also offer something that's really nice, and that is €5 off your transfer when you're transferring more than €1. In a couple of seconds, I will show you which code you can use for that. It costs absolutely nothing and it is risk-free and it gives you a nice benefit. So I will come with that in a bit. So first of all, let's go to the Home tab, and then from there we need to click on this country search bar after you have set up your account, and then you can just type in Philippines, and once you do that, this will pop up, and then you will see a really nice conversion rate because this app has one of the best in my belief. And then you can just enter the amount that you want to transfer. So let's say you want to transfer €50, then you will automatically see what is going to be in Philippine pesos. And then what you need to do for the promo code is really simple. You need to click on add promo code in here, and then you need to enter the following code. And the code is JE00910. And when you click on enter, you will redeem your code, and then you will get €5 off your transfer, absolutely for free. So this is a really nice bonus, so feel free to use that. Anyway, let's move on with the video. So after you have filled that in and your promo code, you can just go ahead and click on next, and then you need to add a new recipient. Or if you already have a recipient on this app, you can just select it in this list. I do not have any, and I'm going to show you what you need to do now. So go ahead and click on add new recipient, and then you can select a delivery method, or you can also select a cash pickup. So TapTapSend also gives a lot of options, not only online, also cash pickups, and this makes it really nice for remote areas. So go ahead and select the method you like. I'm just going with GCash. That is one of the most important and most known methods in the Philippines. So I'm going to select this. And then you need to make sure that you have the full name and then the country for the phone number. And once you fill in the phone number, you can click on next, and then you can confirm this transfer. So from here it's pretty easy. I'm also going to show you how this works with a bank account. And by the way, there is no fee for all of these methods except the cash pickups. Anyway, let's select bank account in here, and then you need to make sure that you have the full name, the bank name, and these are all the local banks in the Philippines. So go ahead and select that. And then you need to also fill in the bank account number, and you need to confirm this. You also need to make sure that the full name is also their legal name registered with their bank, because this can avoid having disruptions and stuff like that. So if everything is all right, go ahead and click on next, and then you will finalize this transfer, and that is basically how you do it. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.